Hello and welcome to my channel, NextGen-AI Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you a free alternative of Elevenlabs. Elevenlabs is a powerful and realistic voice cloning tool, but it has some drawbacks. First of all, it's not cheap. You have to pay a monthly subscription fee to use it, and the price depends on how many minutes of audio you want to generate. Second, it's not very user-friendly. You have to upload your audio sample, wait for it to process, and then download the generated audio. You can't edit or preview the audio online, and you can't customize the voice parameters, such as pitch, speed, or emotion. So, what is free alternative of Elevenlabs that you can use without paying? Here is one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Clipchamp's text-to-speech AI to generate lifelike voices for your videos. Clipchamp is a free online video editor that lets you create amazing videos with ease. One of the features that Clipchamp offers is the text-to-speech AI, which allows you to turn any text into speech with hundreds of natural-sounding voices in over 80 languages. You can use this feature to create voiceovers, narrations, subtitles, and more for your videos. To use the text-to-speech AI in Clipchamp, you need to follow these simple steps. 1. Go to clipchamp.com and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. 2. Click on the Create a Video button and choose a template or start from scratch. 3. Once you're in the video editor, click on the Record and Create tab on the toolbar. Next, click on the Text-to-Speech button. A pop-up tab will appear on the Property panel with text-to-speech options. Four, pick a language, voice, pitch, and pace for your voiceover. You can preview each voice by clicking on the Hear This Voice button. You can also adjust the pitch and pace of your voice from extra low to extra high and from 0.5x speed to 2x speed. 5. Enter your text to generate a preview of your voiceover. You can type or paste your text, or upload a document.
Welcome, everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing with Clipchamp. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or an educator, this powerful tool has something for everyone. Welcome, everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing with Clipchamp. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or an educator, this powerful tool has something for everyone.
You can create a voiceover up to 10 minutes in length. If you need a longer voiceover, you can create multiple ones and combine them later. 6. Save your voiceover to the editing timeline. Seven. Click on the Export button and choose a resolution and format for your video. Because we only need audio, we will choose 480p. Eight. We have to convert MP4 file to MP3. To convert MP4 to MP3, search MP4 to MP3 on any browser, and open freeconvert.com. Upload the MP4 file and select Output to MP3 and click on Convert. That's it. You've just created audio with a realistic voiceover using Clipchamp's text-to-speech AI. You can use this feature for any type of audio, such as tutorials, presentations, stories, or podcasts. You can also experiment with different voices, languages, and styles to find the best one for your video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.